is up, everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today, we're going to talk about the upcoming drop of the J.W. Anderson Fall Collection from Uniqlo. I am excited about this upcoming drop simply because of the silhouette look that seems promising and fitting with my body. I will quickly talk about each item except the accessories, give as much description as I can, and share my thoughts about it. I will go in order from the most expensive to the least expensive item. So without further delay, let's talk about the first item on the list, the Chesterfield coat. Shell is made with 45% acrylic, 33% wool, 22% polyester, and the lining is made with 100% polyester. It has the Uniqlo tweed, which is the arrow look-like design all over this coat. Supposed to have a relaxed fit and cuffs can be adjusted. Available in blue and gray colors. It is priced for basically $150. Okay, here's what I think so far. I love the look. I think I'm in a favor of getting the blue one. However, I am not a fan of the blended fabric. I expect more of the wool percentage in comparison to acrylic, but that's about it. Can't talk about the fidgets, so let's move on to the next expensive item, which is the quilted blouson. I think that's how you pronounce it. Shell is made with 100% polyester, filling is 100% polyester, 100% nylon by the color, and the trim is made with 100% cotton. The fabric is coated with a water repellent agent. It has 2 side pockets. Price is about $100 and is available in 2 colors, olive and navy. Okay, for this one, I prefer the olive color as it accentuates well with my skin tone, and it looks cozy, and the silhouette seems to have the baggy fit, which I hope. I have never been a fan of any quilt clothing before, so the overall look is okay for me, but we will see when I get it. All right, now let's talk about their sweaters collection. First, let's discuss the Souffle Yarn Rib Full Sleeve Sweater. Made with 50% acrylic, 32% polyester, 8% wool, and 3% upstanding. Wow, that's a lot of blend fabrics. Supposed to be soft and non-itchy, but we will see about that. Rib knit with 2 different colors in the inside and outside, available in navy and gray, and it is priced for $60. Here's what I think. The look seems promising. Definitely will pick this up in navy color. However, I'm a little concerned about the fit. It might have ended up too tight for my body, and I do hope that it is non-itchy. Also, I think I would prefer this in half zip or quarter zip. How about you? Do you like full zip sweaters or prefer the quarter or half zip? Quickly drop your comment down below. Moving on to the next sweater is the Souffle Yarn Crew Neck Sweater. Made with 54% acrylic, 36% polyester, 7% wool, and 3% spandex. What is up with all this blended fabric? It has the gradient design and it seems like it has a relaxed fit. Again, I hope so. Price for $50 and available in 3 colors, olive, gray, and blue. Okay, design-wise, this is a winner so far. Love the gradient look and I'm simply excited about it. The fit also seems promising, but man, the blended fabric is what I'm concerned about once again. I'm pretty sure whoever engineered this blended fabric got some science behind it, and I hope that it in a good way, okay? Also, I had to dry clean this, which I'm not a fan of. As for the last sweater, they had the Diamond Switch Crew Neck Sweater. Without looking at the fabric blend, I bet it's similar. I was close. Made with 60% acrylic, 35% nylon, and 5% wool. Wow, nylon is a polyester? That's interesting. It has the diamond stitch knit at the front, not sure about the back. It's pretty much a fisherman sweater from the look of it. For details, it says slightly shorter length for easy layering, and the sleeves has the rib design, so kind of crop. Price for also $50 and is available in off-white and navy. So for this one, I do like the design, and that's about it. The fit seems not gonna work for my body. I mean, I would go with off-white as it offers more versatility in comparison to the navy one, and I simply think the color is better during the winter season. I don't know. I am kind of feeling a little wonky about the fit, but who knows until we try. All right, let's move on for the bottom wear. They have the upcoming wide fit jeans and pleated wide pants. I'm gonna talk about the 2 at the same time now since they are both wide fit and both 100% cotton. Wide fit jeans are available in blue, green, and off-white, while the pleated pants are available in dark gray, beige, and olive. Okay, the silhouette of this bottom wear are looking phenomenal. I'm not gonna lie, when I saw the price, I was surprised this only pricing for $50 each, which I thought it would be $100 or so. But look-wise, I cannot wait to try this on. Definitely eyeing the blue one for jeans and beige for pleated pants. Lastly, let's quickly talk about their flannel shirts. They got check flannel shirts in big patterns and small patterns. Both are made with 100% cotton. Okay, that's about it. Nothing really to talk much about the flannel shirts. I mean, it really depends on the pattern you like. For me, not looking forward to getting this flannel shirts. Might try them on while I'm at the store, but I don't know. I'm just not too excited about this. Maybe because I've seen a better pattern or just not a fan of the silhouette for this one. Once again, who knows until we try. Well, that's the upcoming JW Anderson Fall collection from Uniqlo. If I'm gonna rank my favorite ones, it will be the souffle yarn crewneck sweater as a top, or my number one. Then wide pants with jeans, the Chester coat necks, quilted blouson, the diamond pattern one, then the full zip, and last on the list are the flannel shirts. How about you folks? Which item are you most excited about? Comment below and let me know. And as always, just stay safe and stay stylish. You guys have a good one. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.